I'm already late. My alarm failed and I don't know how to say this in English.
Wait, breathe. This morning is a mess, but we can fix it together.
I need English right now. Morning English, real life English.
Good. By the end of this video, you will confidently talk about your morning routine in English.
This happens every morning. Alarm rings, I panic, my brain is empty.
Same here. Morning English feels hard when you are tired.
Exactly. I want to speak, but words disappear.
Today, we solve this problem. Morning routine English. Simple, real, useful.
And you will use these sentences today, not someday. Like this video and subscribe. It really helps learners like you.
Okay, scene 1. My alarm rings. What do you say first?
I say I wake up late.
That sounds okay, but not natural.
Really? What is better?
Say, I woke up late.
Oh, past tense.
Yes, the morning already started. Let's practice. Pause the video and say it with us, learners. I woke up late.
Again, I woke up late.
Exactly. Nice.
Next problem. I feel tired, very tired.
What do you say?
I am very sleep.
Oops, small mistake. Cute, but wrong. Say, I am very sleepy. Sleepy, not sleep.
I am very sleepy.
Right. Pause and say it, learners. I am very sleepy.
Perfect. Now I get out of bed, slowly.
What sentence you use?
I get from bed.
Almost. Say, I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
Yes, common morning phrase. Pause the video and say it with us, learners. I get out of bed.
Nice rhythm, short and clear. Then I go to the bathroom.
What sentence do you use?
I go bathroom.
We need one small word. 2.
Yes, I go to the bathroom.
Pause and repeat, learners. I go to the bathroom.
Good, this is real English. Now, brushing teeth. I always forget this one.
Try first.
I wash my teeth.
Haha, common mistake. We say brush, not wash. Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Exactly. Say, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Pause the video and say it, learners. I brush my teeth.
Again, but faster. I brush my teeth.
Nice mini win.
Next, face and mirror moment.
Ah, yes, morning mirror shock.
I look terrible.
What do you say?
I look very bad.
That works, but we can sound softer.
Softer sounds better.
Say, I look tired.
Oh, that's nice. I look tired.
Yes, now pause and say it, learners. I look tired.
Natural and polite. Now close. I am late. Very late.
Try a sentence.
I wear clothes fast.
Not wrong, but more natural is this. I get dressed quickly.
I get dressed quickly.
Yes, well said. Now pause and say it, learners. I get dressed quickly. Good energy.
Now, breakfast or no breakfast.
Real life question.
I say, I not eat breakfast.
Small fix. Add do. I do not eat breakfast.
I do not eat breakfast.
Yes, or shorter, I don't eat breakfast.
I don't eat breakfast.
Let's practice the short one, learners. I don't eat breakfast.
Again, I don't eat breakfast.
Confident already.
But sometimes I do eat.
What sentence you use?
I eat breakfast.
Perfect. Simple wins. English can be easy.
When it's real life, yes.
Now, what about coffee?
Ah, yes, very important.
The most important sentence. I need coffee.
Pause the video and say it with feeling, learners. I need coffee.
Again, stronger. I need coffee. Everyone understands this.
After coffee, I feel human again.
Try to say that, Emily.
I feel better now.
Excellent. Very natural. Pause and repeat, learners. I feel better now.
Small sentence, big meaning. Now I leave home.
Say it.
I go outside my house.
That works, but we usually say this. I leave home.
I leave home.
Very simple. Pause and say it, learners. I leave home. Clean and native-like.
Final problem. I am late again.
Classic morning ending.
I say, I am late again.
Perfect. Zero mistakes. Pause and say it proudly, learners. I am late again.
Haha, you sound fluent already.
Let's connect everything. Short story, real speed.
I'll try. I woke up late. I am very sleepy. I get out of bed.
Good. Continue.
I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth.
Nice flow.
I get dressed quickly. I don't eat breakfast. I need coffee. I feel better now.
Love it.
I leave home. I am late again.
That is real life English.
I feel confident now.
You should. You solved a real problem.
Morning English is not scary anymore.
You can use this today, tomorrow, every day. Today you learned how to talk about your morning routine.
You learned simple, natural sentences for real life. Comment one sentence about your morning.
Practice it out loud. Confidence comes from speaking. Subscribe for more real English stories.
And remember, you can say this in real life.